again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Reolink brand, their 4G LTE outdoor cellular security camera. Has pan and tilt, wireless, solar powered, 2K HD night vision, two-way talk, smart person vehicle detection. No Wi-Fi is required, and it works with its own solar panel to keep it charged. This withstands various weather conditions because it is certified as IP64. And that means that you can blast water and into this and nothing's going to happen to it. So this was going to use a SIM card on a 4G, 3G phone network, and typically you're going to be using T-Mobile, but there's other carriers that work also. Just look at the listing. There's a built-in 32 gigabyte micro SD card in the camera, primarily designed to store motion activated recordings or short video clips of movement. So this is pretty cool. If you have a farm or a place where you don't have access to Wi-Fi, but you have a mobile phone service, this is an excellent way to have security on the area. You can also use it in your house. And so you see right here, it's got the solar panel, really nice mount on here, totally adjustable angle, and the base right there, it's all aluminum, and it has a USB, micro USB on there, mounting hardware, mounting plate pattern right there. And you have a straps. You can strap the whole camera on a pole or something. There's a charging cable. There is a mount right there, and that mount actually works well because we're gonna show you. You can hold the camera and rotate it, and it has a little sticker right here for security, and a quick start guide and operational instructions, and the Wi-Fi antenna right there. So I'm impressed with the quality of this already because everything seems to be really durably built, and you could just tell the quality is there. So there's all kinds of cool things on here that pan and tilt 355 degrees and tilt 140 degrees. Increase the flexibility of the LTE solar camera so you get the perfect view. You can move it around just like you'd expect any security camera. And it has smart motion detection and instant alerts. Advanced technology of analyzing person and vehicle shapes offers accurate detection to the cellular security camera. So that way it reduces false alarms because false alarms are really annoying. So you can also get a free Reolink 7-day cloud service if you want to have uploaded of the storage of the results it gets when it gets triggered. Again, no Wi-Fi is needed here, no wiring hassles because it's powered by the sun. First time you use this, you want to take the cable and charge it. We're going to show that. And so the SIM card he uses is SIM card format Nano-SIM 4FF, and it's typically 0.48 by 0.35 by 0.026, and you got to provide that. And U.S. network operator is T-Mobile, and prepaid data plan is recommended. Other data plans with cellular service are also supported. Please note this is 4G camera. It does not work with Verizon. So this camera is a US version that is suitable for use in North America areas, USA, Canada, Mexico. Other countries might not be compatible. Let's take a closer look at the solar panel. Never seen one like this. It has little bubbles on there essentially. This thing looks really durable. And look how thin this is. Unbelievable. And it has a really good mount on there that you can tighten and adjust. And it has an extra long cable with the micro USB on there. And this is all aluminum construction, powder coated, and looks like it's really durable. So the reason why this is smaller is because they're getting the efficiency so high on these that this is large enough to have the capacity to keep that internal battery charged. Let's take a closer look at the mount and the antenna. So on the unit, there is the pan and tilt right there, and there's a 1/4-20 industry standard on there. This is really solid. Here's the antenna connection where this is going to go right in there like that. And again, this is a cellular connection, just like that. Then right here is the charge port. You want to charge it before first use. And there is the speaker, and there's a microphone there also. That's where the communication back and forth is. And then in here, over here, you remove this, and there is the actual power switch right there. Now the mount is nice. It has a unlock button on here. You see, you go that way. Then this allows rotating and going to various positions. So you can pick the position you want. And this gets mounted to your wall, your fascia, your pole, and then this just screws on like that. This is your standard 1/4 20, and that's what's going to hold this in place in the upside down position, just like that. Now if you rotate the head up, you can see you have access to the nano SIM card and the micro SD card. They already have the micro SD card installed right there, and there's where the SIM card goes, and the manual tells you about which position the contacts go, and they even show you a little symbol right there. And then there's even a reset button there. If something goes wrong, you can hit that reset button. Now, as I mentioned, you want to charge it. Here I'm using an ordinary USB, micro USB to USB-A, and I've got it plugged into a 2 amp USB-A charger. And you have to see that red LED there. That'll go to green when it's fully charged. And again, you want to do this before you put it outside in the sun. So here I have the solar panel, and the studio lights are sending energy to the solar panel, and I have it plugged right in there. And you can see that green LED. That's going to let you know that it's getting solar energy. So if I were to block this, like nighttime, then you see that goes away. Then all of a sudden the studio lighting starts energizing the solar panel and it comes back on. They also did something nice. There's a silicone cover on here, and that silicone cover you can push into there, right there, and it forms a seal, just like this cap does, to keep water out. Always make sure that you have all these silicone seals closed on here so that you don't let any water intrude. So after testing and powering this camera and looking at the quality of everything, get everything to work on there, I'm impressed. This thing has very high quality construction. The solar panel is really nice. I've never seen one that has that waffle pattern. It looks extremely durable. The mounts are really durable, plastic or aluminum. The camera works really well, the motion that controls the servos on there. So I like this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.